Howdy folks, this is Henry Tenby. Welcome aboard the Honeywell Boeing 720. We're seen here at Phoenix Gateway Airport. Starting engines, we had been doing crew training, touch and goes at the airport earlier this day, and we developed a bit of a maintenance snag, so I had to take care of some issues. And here we are on our way, heading back to Phoenix International Airport. So sit back, relax, enjoy. You're going to have the entire flight from taxi, takeoff, in-flight, and full landing at Phoenix. So it's going to be an awesome flight. If you've never experienced the Boeing 720 as a passenger, this video will show you exactly what it was like. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the awesome action. If you're enjoying this video, the full 30-minute version appears as a members-only premium content here on YouTube. Just click the link in the upper right-hand corner. Or you can visit our JetFlix TV website where you can enjoy this video plus hundreds of other classic airline videos. Thanks for watching.